Managing Instagram DMs manually can feel like a never-ending task, especially when you are trying to reach hundreds of new prospects every day. I used to spend a massive amount of time every week just writing captions and managing social media posts across multiple accounts. But now I let AI handle the entire outreach process, sending personalized messages automatically at the same time. In this video, I will show you how to set up the ultimate Instagram DM engine using 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐿. For maximum safety, set the time between messages from 60 to 90 seconds to mimic real human behavior. This random delay ensures you stay invisible to security filters, while your accounts reach the maximum audience safely. Next, configure the system to switch accounts if it hits 10 consecutive errors to protect your entire account farm. Use available content in random mode and allow duplicate content between accounts to ensure an organic interaction. This professional setup builds massive account heat and ensures your message lands directly in the prospect's inbox, whether promoting a product or building a network. This mass engagement strategy is designed to triple your productivity. Why is automated messaging the secret to high conversion traffic? It allows you to create one strategy and let the bot handle the distribution across thousands of targeted threads. This professional setup builds massive account heat and ensures your message lands directly in the prospect's inbox rather than the spam folder. Whether you are promoting a product or building a network, this mass engagement strategy is designed to triple your productivity automatically. 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 runs seamlessly in the background, allowing you to manage your social media accounts without any system lag. While you focus on closing deals, you can easily keep track of your content and monitor the publication status of every DM immediately on the dashboard. 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 runs with zero lag, letting you monitor every DM and publication status immediately on the dashboard. Ready to build your social empire and scale your business to the moon? Contact our expert team via Telegram and 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐦 or WhatsApp +80 for $1,376,119,126 for a professional setup. Subscribe for more automation secrets and let's dominate the feed together.